Fluent English practice. Starting a new job can be exciting, but also stressful. You meet new people, learn new rules, and want to make a good impression. That's why today we will practice English conversations for your first day at work. We'll show you easy office phrases you can use right away. And at the end, I'll give you a special tip to sound more confident at work. So, let's begin. Meeting your boss.
Good morning. Welcome to the team.
Good morning. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Did you find the office easily?
Yes, it was simple to find.
Great. Do you have any questions on your first day?
Not yet, but I'll let you know if I do.
Perfect. Let me show you your desk.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Sure, I will.
If you need help, just ask.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Welcome again to the company.
Thank you. I'm excited to start. Meeting new colleagues.
Hi, you must be new here.
Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome. I'm David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. I work in the same department.
Oh, that's great. Nice to meet you too.
Where did you work before?
I worked at a small company downtown.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, but I'm excited to learn new things here.
Don't worry, everyone is very friendly.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Would you like to join us for lunch later?
Yes, I'd love to. Asking for help. Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead.
Where can I find the printer?
The printer is near the meeting room.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Do you also need paper?
Yes, where is the paper kept?
It's in the supply cabinet.
Yes, I can't connect to the Wi-Fi.
No worries. I'll show you.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Happy to help.
Small talk at the office.
How is your first day going?
Tea is going well. Thank you.
Is everything clear so far?
Yes, but I'm still learning.
That's normal. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live about 20 minutes away.
That's very convenient.
Yes, I can walk to work.
That's great. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Then you should try the coffee machine in the kitchen.
Oh, really? Is it good?
Yes, it's the best in the office.
I'll try it later. Thanks. Lunch break conversation.
Do you want to join us for lunch?
Sure. Where are you going?
We usually eat in the cafeteria.
That sounds good.
What kind of food do you like?
I like simple food. Maybe a sandwich.
They have sandwiches and hot meals too.
Perfect.
Do you usually eat lunch at work?
At my old job, I sometimes brought food from home.
That's a good idea.
Yes, it saves money and time.
True. Maybe next time you can bring lunch, and we can eat together.
I'd like that. Wrapping up the first day.
So, how was your first day?
It was very good. Thank you.
Did you meet your colleagues?
Yes, they were very friendly.
Excellent. Do you feel comfortable with your work?
Yes, but I still have a lot to learn.
Of course, that's normal.
Thank you for the support.
You are welcome. Remember, if you need anything, just ask.
I will.
Great. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Taking a taxi conversation.
Hello. Where would you like to go?
Hi, please take me to Green Street near the library.
Sure. No problem. Do you want the fastest route?
Yes, please.
Do you live on Green Street?
Yes, I just moved there.
That's a nice area. Do you work nearby?
Yes, I started a new job today.
Congratulations. How was your first day?
It was good, but a little tiring.
I understand. We'll be there in 10 minutes.
Thank you. At home.
Hey, welcome back. How was your first day?
It was really good. Everyone was friendly.
That's great to hear. Did you meet your boss?
Yes, and he was very kind.
Nice. Did you learn something new?
Yes, but I still need practice.
Don't worry, you'll get better every day.
Thanks. I'm just happy to be in a good workplace.
Perfect. Now, you need to relax. Want some tea?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Coming right up.
That was a great practice. We learned common phrases for your first day at work.
Yes, meeting your boss, talking to colleagues, asking for help, and having small talk.
These short phrases will help you feel more confident in your new office.
Practice them out loud, and you'll sound natural.
Thanks for watching Fluent English Practice.
See you next time.